In this video, we are unboxing a few items from DDhifi. They have launched a few things, and I thought I should look into a couple of their, not couple, three of their products here. The TC35 USB dongle, and they have a new USB Type C cable along with their new angled C2C cable. So I thought these are useful for me, and here we go. This is the USB dongle, 3.5 mm USB dongle, and the good thing is that this one supports mic, okay, mic and controls. So that is a great thing about this. You can see has a decent amount of power for a few IMs. I will go on to say that budget IMs, these are not powerful enough for demanding IMs. Maybe you can try a planar, but I'm not exactly sure it will be able to handle planar drivers without any issues yet. This should be good for our budget hybrid and budget dynamic driver IMs. It's definitely a step up from just the mobile phone, and if you do not have a type C, sorry, if you do not have a 3.5 mm jack in your phone, this one is the ideal dongle because it supports microphone too. Let's have a look. I'm not expecting anything inside it, just the dongle, because DDhifi is not known for extensive accessories with their budget products, but the expensive products do come with a shitload of accessories. In any case, here nothing, just the dongle, and very small. You guys can see, maybe slightly more than an inch. They have not mentioned the DAC chip here, but I think it is from CS, if I'm not wrong. This uses a CS chip, and you guys can see 32 ohm. 45 plus 45 at 32 ohm is not exactly weak. So yeah, it is decent if you are looking for a decent USB 3.5 mm dongle. Let's put this aside and we will look into the cable here. So this is the upgrade to the M120B, M130B MMCX. I like MMCX because they are much easier to handle at times. You do not have to fight with the pins or anything like that most of the time. Like two pin can be slightly difficult to handle at times. In any case, let's have a look at the specification. We get decent core size, okay, that is not bad at all, and similar kind of power. As far as I remember, it has similar kind of power as the dongle, so it should be good. Earphone upgrade cable with microphone, so mic is welcome always. It doesn't have any remote or anything like that, no volume control, but microphone. Okay, my mistake. Just the cable, nothing else. DDhifi do not include carry pouches with the cables, so that is a bit of a downer, but you guys can see it's a beautiful looking cable, Type C cable, and MMCX pins here, MMCX. coffee cable. Okay, looks nice, looks good. Like, I like this, no problem there. Let's have a look at the C2C cable, angled C2C cable. There is nothing exactly fancy here. I'm just doing an unboxing because of no reason to be exact. There is literally no reason to unbox this on a video for sure, but yeah, I like to do that. This is a unboxing channel after all, so yeah, why not? Is there any specification? Okay, 26 plus 26, green and white, power and signal standard, everything looks decent here. Weight, length 12 gram, 8 centimeters. So 8 centimeters is like slightly more than 3 inches, so it is not very long, but the angled, oh, beautiful looking cable. To be precise, I'm kind of loving this design and cable. Wow, beautiful, looks fantastic. USB DAC, USB DAC. Okay, this one is supposed to go into the USB DAC, while this one is going to connect to your mobile phone or anything similar if you have. So yeah, beautiful looking cable. I do not remember exact prices, but I think this one is $35. The cable here costs around $99, while this cable, this USB cable is, if I'm not wrong, $45. So this is the unboxing of this useful accessories. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.